Joey's in great adventure jail. You and Joey's in great adventure jail. Can't get no bailing, can't get no mailing, no love for sale in great adventure jail. We're all in great adventure jail. You and me in great adventure jail. We're all let down in all the same town, and we're lost and found in great adventure jail. It's kind of interesting. This is 100 days since I haven't been on narcotics, so hey baby, I wanna do it again. Let's take a poll to see where we've been. Bury the gods of war and of man. Give an award whenever you can. We got a world that never begins. We got a way of measuring trends. We're taking notice for everyone's sins. Active denial, America, active denial. America, active denial. America, active denial. America, active denial. I've always thought that love comes to those who wait for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I get eastbound, crosses to dance around, when I met Lucifer, here's what I said to lift up your skirt. What could it hurt? Love comes to those who wait for me. Love comes to those who wait for me. How long comes to those who wait for me. Love comes to those who wait for me. I wonder what I say for tomorrow. I wonder what's forever or borrowed. There's meaning in a manner of speaking, depending on who's doing the bleeding. Oh Lord, when are you going to be made up? When are you going to be made up? I promised Jeff, since we're doing the memory projections, I promised Jeff some stories. If he orchestrated them, that was the deal. Everyone makes money off Americans that hate. We both like our weight, our weight, our weight. Living as we die alone, and maybe that's our fate. We both like our way, our ways, our ways. Perfectly clear, all our time has run out. That's what this is about. Time to from the grief. Stop that running in place. I know everyone here. Now it's perfectly clear. All our time is run out. That's what this is about. Time to bury belief. Take a break from the grief. Stop that running in place. You ever feel that way? Running out of time for good news? Yeah, but do you ever feel it daily? My dad was sneaking into my bedroom and scooping out one goldfish and flushing it down the toilet. Now, here's the thing. It's absolutely true. Yeah, to my dear old dad, who's no longer with us, unfortunately. But here's the thing. You know, if you'd found that out as a kid, that could be potentially devastating, unlike some of the other things he did. If I'm broken beside you, and when I'm looking for someone to run to, and if you're thinking I'm sinking slowly to have and hold you, my one hand, if only you could be here, hanging around year after year, near to the ground, silence of sound. Almost 40, almost 50, 52. Take a morning or a lifetime just to do all this packing, point of order, no return, better living, entry level, crash and burn. I got buried in arrangements like before. I took tickets out of ideas by the score. I'm not bitter, I'm just tired of the fight. Drink to forget, drink to regret, drink all night. I'm a lucky guy, I don't even try. I will live and die, never knowing why. Time to say goodbye to this plug nickel life. Hail this magic moment, put your hot wings on hold. Take this lonesome shoe shine and forget what you're told. Marinate the money till it turns into gold. Illustrated man got nothing for what he sold. Lonesome shoe shine, why don't you find a new line of words? Set the table. Never thought they'd find a way sharing sunny paper money. Leave your life at home today and tell God that I saved you. Tell his son it's time to make his bed, and tell God that I saved you with a crown of thorns around my head, and tell God that I saved you. Tell his son it's time to raise the dead, and tell God that I saved you with a crown of thorns around my head, around my